Sure, you know the problem. You need technical information, and you can't find it in the mountains of paperwork covering your desk. Inefficient use of time results in unnecessary overtime and failure to meet deadlines. Did you ever think about redesigning your processes to paperless procedures in order to control the chaos? While searching, you lose precious time. We are on the dawn of the fourth industrial revolution. It will create an intelligent link between product development, production, logistics, and customers. Today, complex CAD data contain plenty of additional information. Up to now, this has been used only on PCs because of the immense data volume. Therefore, the data was not available to all company areas. Modern and powerful tablet PCs in combination with intelligent apps allow the mobile use of large amounts of industrial data. With only one click, it is possible to create via interfaces a compressed data format containing all geometrical and process information. Quick and easy, the data will be transferred to the mobile device where it can be used. Enter the world of Visual Inspect and a new level of mobility and paperless processes. Visual Inspect is designed to close the gap between real and virtual world. Augmented reality is the extension of pictures with virtual objects by overlay. Visual Inspect visualizes the important content where you need it and while working with the actual product. From joining technologies and tolerances to annotations, everything is possible. Connection of reality and the virtual model is realized by easily mountable markers. Once registered, movement knows no boundaries. High graphics performance combined with the integration of a camera system allows the digital description of the products connected to reality. The overlay happens markerless in real time. The as-is situation can be compared with the target situation. Differences are obvious immediately. The documentation of detected mistakes facilitates the following correction processes. Problems are described by text and image annotations directly in the 3D model. Based on this check, protocols are generated and distributed in the company or transferred straight to the person in charge. Even company internal forms can be used and digitally filled out. With Visual Inspect, you manage complex cross-functional processes paperlessly and coordinate the work of distributed teams to ensure consistent and efficient realization of the best possible product. There are many possible applications in the producing industry: incoming inspection, assembly of components, documentation of construction progress, or quality assurance. Visual Inspect cleans your desk and saves you time.